you doing? You caught anything?
No.
You're supposed to say I caught really a big old fish. I let it go. I let it go. I'm just kidding. All right then. It's a nice day for fishing, though. I reckon. You gotta watch your line, though. Why don't you come over and take a look? Come on over here and take a look. Your bobber is right next to mine over here. You know how our line got tangled the last time?
Yeah.
It's gonna get tangled again. You gotta watch your line, girl. Saying yeah, don't get it. You gotta watch it for real. Come over here and take a look. You can take a look. They ain't tangled yet. Come on, take a look. I mean, I gotta watch them too, but look out. You can't see, right? You don't know what I'm talking. Don't leave that on the ground over there. All right. You coming over here? Take a walk over here. You're all right. Just come walking over. Come on over. Come on. Over here. Right here. Look. Come here. Look over the edge. Look. Right here. See how close they are?
Yeah.
Okay, reel yours in. Reel it in. Stick it in your pocket or something. I told you to wear pockets. You get now. Look at. Hang on. Look. Hang on. You're hung up on that down there. That's what I mean about watching it. No, don't. Take a break.